Hey, this is the new ProTinkerToys.com video, and we're doing another unboxing. I know that's a term that they use nowadays, unboxing. It's just, we're just demoing a car set. And this is SRS348. This is the new 4-lane layout for Christmas of 2023. And this is the Rallye 4x4 Thunderjet Ultra G. And these are sweet cars. Holy moly. We sold out of the old one. We have like 3 left out of 200. This is a sweet set, okay? And what's cool about it is it splits apart, which is really neat. So let's look at all the track that's in this set. And all the fun stuff. You get guardrails. My son said I have to set it up a certain way. So I'm gonna set it up with all the stuff so you know that you're getting, you get 4 hand throttles. He wants it nice and neat. Nice and neat. You got the guardrails. These are the little 5 inches. You got the outer curve, standard curve. Here's the standard curve, outer curve, outer, and then you got the inner. Wow, you got every single curve for six lanes. And then you got your guard or supports, track supports. You got your 9-inch trays. You got your cables for charging your controllers, and you have your cars and your adjustable transformer. And this is the whole set of the 4x4 layout. And we're going to be setting this whole thing up and showing you what is what. Okay, so this is a 4-lane split lane, which is really cool. They've never done one like this in a long time. You're basically splitting up the 4 lanes into 2 different lanes. Basically 4 cars, and these are all Thunderjets. You've got the Pontiac 68 Pontiac Firebird number 77. Okay, that's your first one. You have the 1968 Chevy Camaro, which is beautiful. This is beautiful. All right, you have the, this is probably going to be the most popular. People love these AMX cars, number 7. So we'll put these all on the track. And then the last one is the 1970 Ford Mustang. Number 25, green. And you get 4 cars. And it's a split track, so that means the cars are going to go in 2 different layouts. They're going to go out the first, and then they're going to come together at the end back in the race. You know what, it's just a fun layout. This is going to be a fun layout. And like usually it's the cars are going to be popular. But here's the real value of this set. Number 1, you're getting the wireless hand controller system, so you can expand this to any size you want. You're getting 4 cars. You're getting a lot of curves, a lot of the to do up to 8 lanes wide, and you get your wireless hand throttles, which are really nice. And this is the the Rallye 4x4, 4+4. You get 4 cars and 4 lanes. You got supports, you got bank curves, or you got all the curves that equal a 4-lane track. You could actually go to 8 lanes if you wanted to, because You got the 9-inch. You have the 9-inch curved. You have the 9-inch, the 6-inch, the 12-inch, and the 15-inch. And this is the 4x4 layout, brand new, shipping Christmas this year. You want to get these on order. We're going to be advertising the heck out of these in the Cleveland, Detroit, or Toledo area. Holy moly, you want to get your set now. These will be available at any time September, I think they're going to be available. Or August. Is it August? Yeah, I think August. Wireless hand throttles. ProTinkerToys, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and we will see you later.